In this video, we're going to look at building a vertical anchor. The vertical anchor is a great technique where we expect our anchor to receive significant upward or downward force. And we want our anchor to be resistant to slippage in an upward or downward direction. Some situations where this is particularly useful are where we're using a tree to provide a high redirectional, or when setting a safety system up on a roof and the only suitable anchor points are very close to the building, and consequently the safety system will apply a significant upward force to the anchors. So I'm going to start by taking a length of 25mm tube tape, and I want this tube tape to be really the longer the better. I'll grab the longest tube tape I've got. At a minimum, I want the tube tape to be long enough to wrap 5 times around my anchor point. I'm going to start by tying an overhand knot in one end of the tube tape. I'll place the overhand knot to the side of the anchor point, and I'm going to wrap the tape around the anchor. As I go, crisscrossing the tape over itself as many times as possible. If you're obsessive compulsive, you can make this look really pretty with lots of diamond shapes in the webbing. But really, I just want the tape to wrap over itself as much as I can to maximize the amount of friction. That's 5 or 6 turns, so rather than using the entire length of tape, I'll stop here. I'm just finishing my tape knot or water knot. Pop my carabiner in, and here's my vertical anchor, good to go. As we can see, if I pull it upwards, there's going to be very, very little movement in the anchor point. Similarly, if I pull it downwards, it's not going to slip at all. While I've demonstrated this on a tree, it works equally well on narrower and slipperier objects. For example, a steel pole.